Yes. Hello students, this is Manmeet and we are doing book 9, IELTS book 9, first reading passage. Especially when it comes to true, false, not given, we have lot of confusions कि मैम इसमें क्या होगा उसमें क्या होगा. बहुत ही सिंपल सा एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको हमेशा देती हूँ, है ना. अगर मैंने लिखा है monkey eats banana, if it is written monkey eats banana, अगर आपको दो कीवर्ड्स मिल रहे हैं मंकी और ईट्स तो वो हमेशा फॉल्स होगा. अगर आपको तीनों कीवर्ड्स मिल रहे हैं तो वो ट्रू होगा. और अगर आपको सिर्फ एक कीवर्ड मिल रहा है तो वो नॉट गिवन होगा. मे बी दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मंकी ड्रिंक्स जूस, so you are only getting monkey here, you're not getting eats, you're neither getting banana. So remember तीनों keywords मिलना जरूरी है for true. दो कीवर्ड्स मिल रहे हैं मंकी ईट्स में भी उसके बाद ग्रेप्स है. टू कीवर्ड्स मींस इट्स ऑलवेज फॉल्स एंड वन कीवर्ड ओनली यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मंकी, नथिंग एल्स. समझ जाओ, इट इज नॉट गिवन. Now this is the passage which we are going to do, and what are the things which you should see in the passage. First of all, be very careful कि जब आप पैसेज कर रहे हो तो you have to read these lines also. The beginning 20 minutes, okay. Question 1 to 13, 1 to 13 फर्स्ट पैसेज के ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं आपके. तो अगर आप आधा आधा क्वेश्चन पढ़ के यहां से वहां कूदते रहोगे तो यू विल मेक मोर मिस्टेक्स. ट्राई टू रीड द पैसेज प्रॉपरली. ये जो कैम्ब्रिज वाले हैं ना, आइल्स वाले, ये बड़े स्मार्ट होते हैं. ये कहीं पे ऊपर आंसर दे देते हैं, किसी पैराग्राफ के नीचे वाली लाइंस में आंसर दे देंगे, कहीं बीच में आंसर दे देंगे. They are not dumb people. It's Cambridge. So if you don't read your sections properly, तो फर्स्ट पैसेज कंपैरेटिवली भले ही इजी होता है, बट सेकंड थर्ड पैसेज में आप अपना रीडिंग को खराब करोगे, यू विल मेस इट अप. So the best thing is try to read. Now let's read and see how much time do we take to read. एक बच्चों को बहुत बड़ी गलत फहमी है कि अगर हम रीडिंग करेंगे तो हमारा टाइम वेस्ट हो जाएगा. So let's see here. मैं रीड करती हूँ. लेट्स सी द टाइमिंग, हाउ मच टाइम आई एम टेकिंग टू रीड द होल पैसेज. और सिर्फ रीडिंग का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आपने बिना समझे बस उसको रीड कर लिया. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग, रिटेन. जो आप पढ़ रहे हो उसको रिटेन भी करना है. सो these are some very important tips. चलिए let's start with William Henry Perkin, the man who invented synthetic dyes. रिमेंबर, अगर आप एक पेंसिल के साथ रीडिंग स्टार्ट करोगे इट विल ऑलवेज बी बेनिफिशियल. और आप अंडरलाइन करते रहो जो जो चीजें आपको इंपॉर्टेंट लग रही हैं, और हमेशा फोटोकॉपीज यूज करिए. William Henry Perkin was born on March 12, 1838 in London, England. As a boy, Perkins' curiosity prompted early interests in the arts, science, photography, and engineering. But it was a chance stumbling upon a rundown yet functional laboratory in his late grandfather's home. So there was some laboratory in his grandfather's home that solidified the young man's enthusiasm for chemistry. तो मुझे इस पैराग्राफ में सिर्फ यही चीज याद रखनी है कि उसके दादाजी की एक बहुत ही बढ़िया सी केमिस्ट्री लैब थी पुरानी सी, जिसकी वजह से उसका इंटरेस्ट बढ़ा. ठीक है. एज अ स्टूडेंट, लेट मी जस्ट यूज दिस सो दैट इट इज. As a student at the City of London School, Perkin became immersed in the study of chemistry. His talent and devotion to the subject were perceived by his teacher Thomas Hall. तो Thomas Hall ने उनकी इस रुचि को समझा. Who encouraged in the college, okay, London School में Perkins की बारे में बात हो रही है, ठीक है. Who encouraged him to attend a series of lectures given by the eminent scientist Michael Faraday at the Royal Institution. Those speeches fired the young chemist's enthusiasm further, and he later went on to attend the Royal College of Chemistry, which he succeeded in entering in 1853 at the age of 15. My God, this schoolboy was really talented. At the time of Perkins' enrollment, the Royal College of Chemistry was headed by the noted German chemist August Wilhelm Hoffmann. मैं इसको भी underline करती. Perkins' scientific gift soon caught Hoffmann's attention. Within 2 years, इसको underline करती मैं, and He became Hoffman's youngest assistant. Not long after that, Perkin made the scientific breakthrough that would bring him both fame and fortune. और उसके बाद उसने कुछ अलग ही काम किया. At the time of quinine was the only viable medical treatment for malaria. Malaria के लिए ये drug होता है. The drug is derived from the bark of the cinchona tree native to South America. And by 1856, demand for the drug was surpassing the available supply. Thus, when Hoffman made some passing comments about the desirability of a synthetic substitute for quinine, it was unsurprising that his star pupil was moved to take up the challenge. तो जब हॉफमैन ने दिखाया कि हमें एक और ड्रग की जरूरत है, तो उन्होंने ये चैलेंज लिया. मतलब he started working on it. During his vacation in 1856, Perkins spent his time in the lab on the top floor of his family house. He was attempting to manufacture quinine from aniline, an inexpensive and readily available coal tar waste product. इसको मैं बिल्कुल अंडरलाइन करूंगी, बट क्योंकि ये ऑनलाइन है तो ये ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा. Despite his best efforts, however, he did not end up with quinine. Instead, he produced a mysterious dark sludge. Luckily, Perkins' scientific training and nature prompted him to investigate the substance further, incorporating potassium dichromate and alcohol into the aniline at various stages of the experimental process. He finally produced a deep purple solution, and proving the truth of the famous scientist Louis Pasteur's words, chance favors only the prepared mind. Perkins saw the potential of his unexpected find. तो उसने कुछ अच्छा तो कर दिया था, जो वो ढूंढ रहा था, भले ही वो नहीं था मगर कुछ और important चीज हो गई थी उससे. Historically, textile dyes were made from such natural sources as plants and animal excretions. Some of these, such as the glandular mucus of snails, were difficult to obtain and outrageously expensive. Indeed, the purple color extracted from a snail was once so costly that in society at the time only the rich could afford it. और इन्होंने एक purple color निकाल लिया था. Further, natural dyes tended to be muddy in hue and fade quickly. It was against the backdrop that Perkins' discovery was made. Perkins quickly grasped that his purple solution could be used to color fabrics, thus making it the world's first synthetic dye. Realizing the importance of the breakthrough, he lost no time in patienting it. But perhaps the most fascinating of all Perkins' reactions to his find was his nearly instant recognition that the new dye had commercial possibilities. Perkins originally named his dye Styrian purple. Obviously, you will underline, but it later became commonly known as, isko bhi underline karenge, mauve, from the French for the plant used to make the color violet. He asked advice of Scottish Dye Works owner Robert Fuller. Usne advice kisse liye, underline, who assured him that manufacturing the dye would be well worth it if the color remained fast, would not fade, क्योंकि पहले वाला कलर खूब फेड हो रहा है, हमने ये पढ़ा, and the cost was relatively low. So over the fierce objection of his mentor Hoffman, now he was not ready. He left college to give birth to the modern chemical industry. Hoffman नहीं चाहता था कि वो छोड़े. With the help of his father and brother, Perkins set up a factory not far from London, utilizing the cheap and plentiful coal tar that was an almost unlimited byproduct of London's gas street lighting. The dye works began producing the world's first synthetically dyed material in 1857. The company received a commercial boost from the Empress Eugenie of France when she decided the new color flattered her. Very soon, mauve was the necessary shade for all the fashionable ladies in that country. Not to be outdone, England's Queen Victoria also appeared in public wearing a mauve gown, thus making it all the rage in England as well. The dye was bold and fast, and the public clamored for more. Perkins went back to the drawing board. Although Perkins' fame was achieved and fortune assured by his first discovery, the chemist continued his research. Among other dyes he developed and introduced were aniline red and aniline black, and in the late 1860s, Perkins green. It is important to note that Perkins' synthetic dye discoveries had outcomes far beyond the merely decorative. The dyes also became vital to medical research in many ways. तो सिर्फ लड़कियां और औरतें गाउन्स नहीं पहन रही थी, मेडिकल रिसर्च में भी बहुत काम आ रही थी उसकी चीजें. ओके. For instance, they were used to stain previously invisible microbes and bacteria, allowing researchers to identify such bacilli as tuberculosis, cholera, and anthrax. Underline, artificial dyes continue to play a crucial role today, and in what would have been particularly pleasing to Perkin, their current use is in the search for a vaccine against malaria. So we have read, and I think reading was not time taking at all. And now let's go to the questions. Okay, let's go forward with the questions. Now, how much you can retain? Let's see that. Now, अब ये जो आपको अंडरलाइन दिख रहा है, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप कीवर्ड्स को प्रॉपरली अंडरलाइन करिए, है ना. कुछ वर्ब्स आपको अंडरलाइन कीजिए. जैसे आपको माइकल फैराडे के बारे में पढ़ना है. माइकल फैराडे वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू रिकॉग्नाइज पर्किंस एबिलिटी एज अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. क्या वो फर्स्ट पर्सन थे जिन्होंने रिकॉग्नाइज की पर्किंस की एबिलिटी? इज इट करेक्ट?
False.
False. Now, if you say false, let's go back. I know I'm taking time, but I want the answer. Why do you think it is false? Tell me. Why do you think?
Ma'am, because the first person was, I know his name, 1 minute.
See, this is the first page.
Thomas Hall encouraged him to attend a lecture of Michael Faraday.
Yes.
His teacher.
All right. Thomas Hall was the person. Yes. थॉमस हॉल ने उसको पहचाना था और उसको भेजा था. ओके, कि आप जाके लेक्चर अटेंड करिए. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज फॉल्स.
False.
Let's go back to the next question. Okay. Now, second question है, Michael Faraday suggested Perkin should enroll in the Royal College of Chemistry. क्या ऐसी कोई भी बात हुई?
No, ma'am. Thomas
No, ma'am,
Hall
there's no
only
way it
suggested him to attend.
Yes. Third, Perkin employed
attend
August Wilhelm Hoffman as his assistant. क्या उन्होंने हॉफमैन को अपना असिस्टेंट
False.
बनाया था?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, बल्कि वो खुद उसके असिस्टेंट बने थे. तो बड़े ही क्लियरली हमको ये भी फॉल्स मिलता है. Perkin was still young when he made the discovery that made him rich and famous.
Yes, ma'am.
True.
Still young, yes. He was just 15 when he was working on that. True.
Ma'am, I didn't find something related to this.
Let me tell you, Perkin was still young when he made the discovery that has made him rich and famous. Now let's go back. Now see here. When Hoffman made some passing comments about the desirability of a synthetic substitute for quinine, it was unsurprised that his star pupil means student. He was still
Okay.
student,
Okay.
was moved to take up the challenge, and he takes over the challenge.
Challenge.
And he does everything.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's go ahead. Fifth question. The trees from which quinine is derived grow only in South America. Only is the most important
False.
word here.
Not given. Not
Ma'am,
given.
ma'am, it said that
Only-
the native country is South America, but it's not said that.
अगर we
That
don't-
is only produced by South.
you never know कि और कोई है कि नहीं, because इन्होंने यहाँ पे साउथ अमेरिका की बात की है, बिल्कुल की है. लेट्स सी कहाँ की है. ये रहा, है ना. They have clearly mentioned, but they have just said it's a native to South America. But
native,
it's
yes.
not said that ये कहीं और पैदा नहीं होता, ये कहीं और मिलता ही नहीं है. ऐसा होता तो क्विनाइन पूरे दुनिया में होता ही नहीं आज की डेट में, है ना. एक अपना दिमाग भी लगाएंगे हम. Anyway, let's go. So it's not given at all. Now let's go to the question number 5.
6.
के बाद 6. Perkin hoped to manufacture a drug from a coal tar waste product.
True.
True.
6th one is true. It is very true. Anybody who feels it's false?
No, ma'am.
7. Perkin was inspired by the discoveries of the famous scientist Louis Pasteur. He was inspired, ऐसी कोई बात तो हमने नहीं पढ़ी.
No, ma'am.
Was
उन्होंने कुछ काम किया जो इसने भी आगे किया है ना, उसको लुइस पेस्चर का ये बीच में नाम ले रहे हैं, पर वो उनसे इंस्पायर हो रहे हैं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं हो रही है ना. कहीं पे भी आपको लुइस पेस्चर का नाम मिलता है, बिल्कुल मिलता है, but he is not saying anything about that. Where is Louis Pasteur? Can you tell me? Anybody?
Louis Pasteur.
Ma'am, first page.
first page,
First-
second,
Sixth. I think sixth para.
fifth paragraph.
Let's find
Fifth.
out. Famous scientist. ये रहा.
Paragraph. Ma'am, last third line.
Yes. And proving the truth of the famous scientist. He just proved the truth. And what was his words? Chance favors only the prepared mind. अगर आप ready हो, इस बात को उन्होंने prove वो किया, वो inspire हुए, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं हुई. So it's not given. Now let's go ahead. I have to download the paper. Next 13 questions के paper क्योंकि मैंने download नहीं किए हैं, तो मेरे को यहाँ से download करना पड़ेगा. Here is the next questions. तो हमारे 7 questions हो गए हैं. No more than 2 words. ये बच्चे बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ते हैं. सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है लाइफ में मेरी, जब 1 word लिखा होता है और वहां पे आपने 2 words लिख दिए होते हैं, एंड यू नो द एग्जामिनर ऑल्सो फील्स पिटी, और वो आपको मार्क्स नहीं दे सकता बिकॉज क्लियरली वहां 1 word लिखा है. No more than 2 words means you can write 1 or 2, but you cannot write 3 words. Remember this clearly. Next. Before Perkins' discovery, with what group in society was the color purple associated? कौन खरीद सकता था?
Rich.
Rich
Only
group.
if you write rich, or you write only rich, or you write rich people, all are correct. 2 words. Rich you should write. Even 1 word is correct. Next. What potential did Perkin immediately understand that his new dye had? New dye
color
Commercial.
potential.
Commercial.
Yes, the word is commercial possibilities है. अगर आपने commercial possibilities भी लिखा है तो I will give you marks. और सिर्फ commercial लिखोगे 1 word, no problem. Not more than 2 words. What was the name finally used to refer the first color Perkin invented? What was the name?
Trident
Mauve.
purple.
Oh, the color was mauve. Yes.
Mauve.
Not trident purple.
No. Mauve नाम रख दिया था ना बेटा.
Okay.
Okay, it was mauve. 10th one. What was the name finally beta? Finally used. Finally word आपने मिस कर दिया यहाँ पे. Finally तो सब mauve gowns, mauve पहन रहे थे ना. So the word finally is so important to read. What was the name of the person Perkin consulted before setting up his own works? क्या नाम था उस आदमी का?
Robert.
Yes.
Robert Puller.
Robert Puller. आप Robert Puller दोनों भी लिखोगे, you'll get marks. In what country did Perkins' newly invented color first became fashionable?
France.
France. Very good. According to the passage, which disease is now being targeted? Last line.
Malaria.
Malaria. So this is your first passage, and I don't think we took more than 20 minutes. इतना समझाने के बावजूद भी, please calculate the time. Still the meeting has 3 minutes left. It did not take 20 minutes, और इसमें 20 minutes मिलते हैं. Please don't be in a hurry. Don't take, extra pressure. Don't stress yourself. First passage में 13 marks easily आपको मिल सकते हैं. And we are practicing true, false, not given, and the first passage with it. Okay. Now I think you're very clear with the first passage. Now we will start practicing the second passage. The level will be a little bit difficult next time. Okay. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video and you understood nicely. Okay. Any doubts, guys? Please let me know.
No, ma'am.